Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. Hope you're having a great day. And it's been 6 months now that I have been using the AirDoctor 3000 in my bedroom. Well, the other day, the red carbon light came on, the carbon filter. There's also the Ultra Hepa filter, but the carbon filter light came on. And as I was doing research on those filters, it says it's supposed to last up to 6 months. I was like, okay, then the indicator is right. So I opened up the machine and I could not believe what I saw. Clearly made me feel great about using this product, that it's doing the job. So you ready? Here we go. Let me show you underneath. Look at that. That is the carbon filter after 6 months. My apartment, I live here, is unfortunately very dusty. And so clearly this machine is doing its job. And right underneath, which I'm gonna go ahead actually and turn it off because I'm gonna replace the filter. Right underneath there is the Ultra Hepa filter. The Ultra Hepa filter is supposed to last up to 1 year. So I'm not gonna need to replace that. However, I did get a replacement. So first of all, let me go ahead, put this in a bag, and let me put the new one in, and then we'll talk about it. Holy cow. Actually, let me just to show you here, between a new one and one that I'm just replacing. Holy cow, when I saw this, I could not believe how much dust and whatever else it picks up, is showing the result. Look at the difference between new, out with the old, and in with the new. Oh, wrong way. So look at that difference between new and replacement. Put this in, and it does, by the way, have the arrow there. All right, we're gonna go ahead and close the cover. Just like that, snaps right back on, magnetic. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on, and you'll see, by the way, red light comes on when you first turn it on. It's going through the cycles of, from as it's determining the worst quality of the air to now it's adjusting. You can see it's going from red to orange to blue. And this, by the way, does that when I get out of the shower as well. I guess from the steam in the shower, it does often turn to orange color when I get out of the shower after a few minutes. Now, by the way, let me share with you on the filter. The filter, the Ultra Hepa filter, or the carbon, traps, the dual action carbon gas trap VOC filter lasts for 6 months under normal use and reduces toxic ozone gas, odors, and VOCs. Volatile organic compounds. Comes with one pre-filter attached to the main filter frame. The Ultra Hepa filter is supposed to live within 1 year within the machine, and it's designed to capture ultra fine airborne contaminants like dust, pollen, mold, spores, smoke, pet hair, and dander bacteria and viruses. So that gives you a little bit idea there. So we should be good to go now for at least 6 months, and next time I'll have to replace also the HEPA filter, which I've got here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and clear it out to turn the light off. So all you need to do, it says you hold the auto and dim buttons for 3 seconds, and 1, 2, 3, and that's it. And now the light is off and I am good to go. Wow, oh my goodness. So if you're interested in getting the AirDoctor 3000, even the 5000, which I have the bigger unit, and did an open boxing, which I have in my living room here, then you could save at least $100. Sometimes they may have a promotion that lasts longer. And I've been very happy with the unit. Again, it does react to when I come out of the shower. So I know that it's working, and clearly it does. And as far as noise, I'm gonna be quiet here a second so you can hear the noise. It's not whisper quiet. If you are sensitive to sleep, to noise in your bedroom, you may hear this. So I'm gonna quiet here for a second as I'm right by the filter, and I'll make it go faster as you can hear how loud this can get. So this is on low, by the way. Now I'm gonna do higher speed. This is second, third, and that's fourth. And now it's back to 1, but I'm going to put it on auto. And there you go. And then at night, they do have a dim button, which you can press the dim button, turns the lights off. And there's also a timer as well. I keep it running 24/7. So, wow, this machine has exceeded my expectations. If you want to check it out, again, I'll put a link where you could save at least $100 on the unit. And again, some promotions, maybe a higher discount. Let me know if you have any questions. I appreciate your time. Have a great day. And most importantly, breathe some fresh air. Take care.